Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob with another video. I have here a tempered glass protector for my camera lenses for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, even though on the box it does say 14 and 15 Pro Max, it's still compatible with the 16 Pro Max series. Now, this offers superior camera protection. It's made from a high aluminum silicate tempered glass for the best camera protection for your iPhone. Now, it does offer quality without compromise, original photo quality with no blemishes and no flash reflection. It can capture the moment, shoot high quality photos with maximum light transmitting with peace of mind knowing that there will be no type of glare in your pictures. Easy installation. Again, this is compatible with 14 through 16 Pros and Pro Maxes. So let's install it and see how it looks on the phone. Now, again, this product does retail for $15.99 as of the filming of this video. It does have some instructions on how to install it, and you can get these in different trim colors. I got this black trim around it, but you can get a clear, and I think they got like this like a red trim one with the actual number on the lens, actually labeling each lens, which is kind of unique. But I wouldn't get that one because the new 16 Pro has two 48 megapixel lens wide and a telephoto, and on the print on the side of these tempered glass is showing it as a 12 megapixel. So, you know, those little details matter. But you got a little screen protector here. Got a nice little, I think this is more or less like if you have an issue with it, they got this little pick tool where you can lift the actual screen protector up to readjust it, but you shouldn't really have no problems with it. What you want to do is clean it off. Clean each individual lens off. Make sure it's free of any kind of debris. Don't press too hard because you don't want to damage your camera. Right. Now there's a peel on the side. What you want to do is you want to match it up and then kind of press down. You can kind of feel when it's in place. Press down each individual one. You can kind of feel it pop into place. And there you have it. Does it add any bulk? I mean, there's a little bit added to that, but I'd rather have that little bit of bulk added to it than what happened on my last iPhone. Let me show you real quick. I got a cracked screen that I have to get fixed. So I don't know if you can see it right there, but my little camera glass has gotten cracked. I got to take that and get this fixed on this 15 Pro Max. Seeing that inspired this video. But for example, let's say I have some issues with this with the actual installation. You can use this to like lift and then reapply it, but it's very rare that you may have to use this. See if I can take a quick picture or something. Came out looking real nice and clear. No issues, no glare, no nothing. Came out nice clean picture. Probably gonna do a camera test with these on and let you know if I see anything. But for the most part, this is pretty cool. I like this. Let's see how I look with a case on it real quick. See, does it really go past like a camera, camera lip? So as you can see, the camera lip and the screen protector work together nicely. The actual screen protector does not go past this camera lip. This is pretty much the same standard size of all camera lips that you'll probably find on most cell phones. So the screen protector is pretty good, doesn't protrude past the camera lip on this case. So I will leave all the information down below for this Spigen easy to install screen protector for your camera setup. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that button down there. And again, Glas Easy Fit Optik Pro is what you want to get for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, 15, and 14. It does fit all. It may not say 16 on there, but it will fit. Again, thanks for watching. Catch everybody next video. I'm out.